with spoon till it makes a hole. 2. Pry open with spoon. 3. Try not to cut yourself. 4. Enjoy your canned goods.
Do you have the right tools in your kitchen? Every kitchen needs a good can opener. This is a Pampered Chef can opener. It has a beak and a little lever here so you can lift off the lid. It also has a pop top so you can go in and pull it right up and you're good to go. Now we're going to open this. We're going to lay it down straight on the top, just like this, not on the side, but right on the top. Go all the way around until you can't feel any tension. It's going to release it. I'm almost there. Okay, released. Reverse back. It flops up, it falls off. Now you're going to see it doesn't open. And you're going to put the little beak right there. Put that down and pull right up. And pull it right up. There we go. All done. My can's open. And now it is a smooth edge and I don't cut myself. Get your own can opener.